God het ons uit die mag van die duisternis gered en verplaas na die koninkryk van sy geliefde Seun, deur wie ons bevryding, die vergifnis van sondes ontvang het. Die Seun is die beeld van die onsigbare God, die eerstgeborene oor die hele skepping. Want deur hom het God alles geskep, alles in die hemel en op die aarde, die sigbare en die onsigbare dinge, of dit koninklike of heersende magte, owerhede of gesagvoerders is, alles is deur hom en tot hom geskep. Hy het voor alles bestaan en in hom hou alles stand. Hy is die hoof van die liggaam, die kerk. Hy is die oorsprong, die eerstgeborene uit die dood, sodat hy in alles die eerste plek kon inneem. Want God het dit goed gevind om die hele volheid in hom te laat woon, en om deur hom alles, ja alles op aarde en in die hemel met homself te versoen, deurdat hy vrede gebring het deur die bloed van sy kruis. Ek het van die Here ontvang wat ek ook aan julle oorgelewer het. Die Here Jesus het in die nag waarin hy verraai is, brood geneem, en nadat hy die seëngebed uitgespreek het hy dit gebreek en gesê, dit is my liggaam ter wille van julle. Doen dit om my in herinnering te bring. So ook met die beker na die ete met die woorde, hierdie beker is die nuwe verbond deur my bloed. Doen dit so dikwels as wat julle daaruit drink, om my in herinnering te bring. Want so dikwels as wat julle hierdie brood eet en uit hierdie beker drink, verkondig julle die dood van die Here, totdat hy kom. Daarom wie op onwaardige wyse die brood eet of uit die beker van die Here drink, sal skuldig wees teenoor die liggaam en die bloed van die Here. Maar laat elkeen homself ondersoek en daarvolgens van die brood eet en uit die beker drink. Want die een wat eet en drink sonder om die liggaam van die Here daarin te onderskei, is besig om 'n oordeel oor homself te eet en te drink.
Walking on the road to Jerusalem, the time had come to sacrifice again. My two small sons, they walked beside me on the road. The reason that they came was to watch the Lamb. Daddy, Daddy, what will we see there? There's so much that we don't understand. So I told them of Moses and Father Abraham. And then I said, dear children, watch the Lamb. There will be so many in Jerusalem today. We must be sure the Lamb doesn't run away. And I told them of Moses and Father Abraham. And then I said, dear children, watch the Lamb. When we reached the city, I knew something must be wrong. There were no joyful worshipers, no joyful worship songs. I stood there with my children in the midst of angry men. And then I heard the crowd cry out, part I did not wish to play. now they come. The first one cried for mercy. The people gave him none. The second one was violent. He was arrogant and loud. I still can hear his angry voice screaming at the crowd. Then someone said, "There's Jesus." And I scarce believed my eyes. A man so badly beaten, he barely looked alive. Blood poured from his body, from the thorns upon his brow, running down the cross, falling to the ground. I watched him as he struggled. I watched him as he fell. The cross came down upon his back. The crowd began to yell. In that moment, I felt such agony. In that moment, I felt such loss. Until a Roman soldier grabbed my arm and screamed, "You carry his cross." At first, I tried to resist him. Then his hand reached for his sword. And so I knelt and took the cross from the Lord. I placed it on my shoulder and started down the street. The blood that he'd been shedding was running down my cheek. They led us to Golgotha. They drove nails deep in his feet and hands. And yet upon the cross I heard him pray, "Father, forgive them." Oh, never have I seen such love in any other eyes. Into thy hands I commit my spirit, he prayed, and then he died. I stood for what seemed like years. I'd lost all sense of time, until I felt two tiny hands holding tight to mine. My children stood there weeping. I heard the oldest say, "Father, please forgive us." The lamb ran away. Daddy, Daddy, what have we seen here? There's so much that we don't understand. So I took them in my arms, and we turned and faced the cross. Then I said, "Dear children, watch